Good night, Irene. It is time for bed. It is 11:36 at night. This is typically about the time that I've been going to bed. I work so hard on these videos and I just stay up really late trying to put them all together, and the editing kills me. So anyway, as I go through this process of showing you what I'm doing to try to make my appearance look better and the makeup that I'm going to be using and how I'm going to try to do better with this, you can see at the end of the day, I am so oily. My forehead is incredibly crazy oily. I mean, you can basically see my reflection and the cheeks. Where you start putting like blush and things of that nature, stuff on top, I start just getting really, really greasy. And yeah. So, and here, how fun is that? How fun is that, right? So when I went to Ulta today, I found these wipes. And I am hoping that they are going to work, because the ones that I showed you the other day that had, I can't even remember what they were, see? And I've been using them all this time. They don't really work. They were supposed to help blemishes and things of that nature, but I felt like I was getting more blemishes using that. And that's typically what happens with me. When I use products that are anti-blemish, I'm gonna break out. So I'm gonna open this packet, and this is Argan oil Deep. That's what it's called, Argan Oil Deep. And what I liked about this one is it had the argan oil in it, and I heard that this was really, really good for skin and hair and things of that nature, but I also like that it was a deep, deep clean. So we're gonna go ahead and take that strip off. And I always leave the strip on because I don't like dry wipes. Oh, they smell good. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I guess I'm gonna have to take this strip off because it popped right back out. But I like that it has a nice cover that snaps together. The other ones just have typically this little strip that goes over it. So I do like the snap cap. Okay, so right off the bat, it smells good. It's got these nice little bumps, as you can see, these little pads, it feels like. All right, so here we go. I always start with my forehead because, oh my gosh, it's like the craziest. And I the other day, I really wasn't even thinking when I was doing this, because I have a pattern that I do at night. It's so crazy. Like, Jared makes fun of me because I'm always like, everything has to be just so, everything has to be in order. So I take the wipes, and you can see I did it right in the middle. I never do that. So I don't know why I'm doing this in front of you, because I go corner to corner to corner. So I start with the corner for my forehead. I always have to get up really high because, man, it gets oily, especially right in that big egg head part right there. All right, so let's see what we have so far on this. See, I don't do makeup, so this is frightening to me. But, okay, so you can see that I don't have that on anymore, but wow. Okay, so then I go to the next corner, and I do a cheek and up the side. Now again, remember, I don't wear makeup very often. In fact, I hardly wear makeup at all. So this is going to be really gross for me. So there's the difference. I don't usually take off my eye makeup until the very end on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to take another corner, go on the other side. Not that anybody really gives a rip how I take off my makeup or how I use these wipes. I'm sure nobody really cares. So I just do these videos just for me, I guess, because I'm sure nobody watches it. I think I had 3 people watch the other one of where I did the worst makeup tutorial. I have so many followers, you know. All right, so that was the other side. So then what you can see is that I have this free corner over here for my chin and my nose. This is usually where it's really bad with all the oil. And then I get right in here into that nice wordy crease that I have. Gotta get real, bam, kabamski. Well, I gotta tell you, so far, I am really liking this. I mean, because, you know, I did put a lot of makeup on today, and again, like I said, and then I take the middle and I do my neck. Remember, tomorrow is no shower day. So tomorrow I am going to be getting some new dry shampoo because that other stuff was just terrible. All right, so now I'm gonna go for my eyes and take off my eye makeup with this. I'm going to the other side, but as you can see, the makeup was so dark that it's going through the other side. This is the side with all the makeup. So again, tomorrow is no shower day, and it'll be really nice because I have a little bit of hairspray in my hair, so that tends to help reduce a little bit of the oil in my hair for the next day. So in the morning I'll be using these again before I start using any of my new makeup, because I am going to be trying that, but I'm going to kind of do step by step for you. I'm going to take it really slow. I am returning all those brushes. I don't care if they were under $5 or not, because I found a set of 30 brushes on Amazon for $10. I swear to you on my life, it's like those puppies are going back, and I'm getting those on Amazon for Prime. So anyway, that's my plan, taking those back. What I like about Ulta is that they told me that I could return any of this stuff within, I want to say it was 30 or 60 days. Let me check the receipt. Oh, I don't see where it says, but again, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. But I can return these products, and they say just as long as, you know, 70% of it is not used. So let's go ahead and take off my makeup, my eye makeup. So here I go. I have to be really gentle with my eyelashes because, as you know, I don't have hardly any. So, whoa! Hello, eye makeup. I have to get really in there. Get in the corner. All right. Going for the next one. So tomorrow I'll be trying some of my new stuff, and we'll see how that goes. I'm going to show you the primer first, the pore filler. I really want to see how that works. I am so excited about that. So let's see how that goes. All right, I'm done. And I'm about ready to run out of some time here. And I'm gonna go over this again. See, now I can't go over it with the other side because this thing is so filled. Look at how much still came off. I bet you, I wonder if I still have a lot on. No, wow, that's incredible. Like, I just went over that and it's clean. So, well, a little bit, but very little. Very, very little. Okay, I'm almost out of time. I took a clean wipe. I want to see, after I did this, what's left. And I'm not going to do the corner to corner because I don't have time. Yeah, I'm beeping. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, so I did take another wipe and I wanted to see how much came off. I ran out of time and my storage on my phone is crazy. And this is all that came off. So it did get a lot of dirt. I'm gonna go over it one more time just to see. I'm gonna take this clear spot right here at the edge. Let's just see. I'm not even gonna do my neck because I'm sure I didn't get my neck very well anyway. Again, I gotta get up high. And I did do that, so that should be pretty clean. Okay, so I took that corner. And I can't even see what corner I did. Good morning, everyone. I am just getting up, and that's why I look this way. But that's okay, because I want to share something with you that's really, really cool. I showed you last night how I use these cleansing pads from Leader Cosmetics, Leader's Lab, and with the argan oil. Yes, I'm shaking. I wake up feeling really bad from my medications at night. So anyways, I used these wipes last night and I woke up this morning and was just blown away, you guys. And this is why I'm sharing this, because I want you to know that this is the bomb diggity. And the reason why I say that is I always heard that for oily skin, you should clean with oil. Yeah, like even like they even say to clean directly with like olive oil and things of that nature. I've never tried that, but I did do this argan oil and look at my face. I usually wake up with just disgusting amounts of oil in my corners and on my forehead. I hardly have any oil on my face whatsoever. But the other thing that I noticed is that it started diminishing all these little bumps that were on my face, all these imperfections. These wipes are like a miracle to my skin. So I'm definitely using these again, and I just wanted to show you that. Yeah, I still have the discoloration, which is fine, you know, makeup will cover, but wow. It's unreal what it has done to my skin. Now the mole is still there, but even this is starting to diminish. But all these little tiny little imperfections on my skin have started to go away. They're starting to disappear. And when I woke up this morning and looked in the mirror, I was not horrified. Usually I'm horrified because my face is so filled with oil, and of course you can see every pore and you can see all my imperfections. But this morning, totally different, guys. So if you have skin like mine, this is the way to go. I am so grateful that you came to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to continue watching and don't forget to subscribe.